Hello everybody. Here are Apple's puppies. 5 weeks old today. Let's jump in and say hello. Let's see, here we have puppy number 8. He is our only one still available from this litter. He is a cutie. Say hello. See, I know my family's out there looking for me. I'm here, waiting for you to find me. That's our available one. And here is number 9. This is Archie. And he's going to be going to New York. Say hi, family. I will be seeing you very soon. Say hi. All right, let's see. We have number 10. And this is Finley. Say hi, Finley. Say, I can't wait for you to come and see me again. It was so much fun meeting you. Say, come and see me. He's getting so big. Yeah, number 13 keeps escaping here. All right, here's number 11. This is our little girl from the litter. Now fix your ear. There you go. This is Gracie. Say hi, family. Say hello. I can't wait to meet you. Gracie is going to Minnesota as well as a couple others. So we have our Minnesota litter. And then we have number 12, which is Aster. Also going to Minnesota. And get a good grip. There we go. Say hi, Aster. Say hi, family. I can't wait to meet you. That's Aster. And where's my escape artist? There he is. This is number 13. Also going to Minnesota. He doesn't have a name picked out just yet. It's fun to name them and hard to narrow it down. He's a handsome little guy. If I can see his whole face and not side of it. There we go. Say hello. Hello. We are all cute as a button. And Finley, he's going to be staying here. Not here, but he'll be in Missouri, so close to here. Close by. And that is the Mogwai. We call them Mogwais at that age. Those are Barbie's puppies making noise. Let's see if we can stand up here. If they'll play. Sometimes they do. Sometimes they just stand there and look at me like, why aren't you picking me up? Look at all the puppy noises. So there is their bed, and that's a washable potty pad. I don't like the throwaway kind. It's like a waste. So we have a lot of exciting things about to happen for them. They're going to get their first vaccine today, which is a Bordetella. It's a kennel cough, and it's a nasal. Next week, they'll get their 5-way. and then a microchip. So they have a lot of exciting trips ahead of them. So there you have it, our 5-week-old puppies. We will see you in photos next week for 6 weeks. Bye for now. Say bye, guys. Say bye. Can you say goodbye? Come and say goodbye. Say goodbye, families. Goodbye. Say we will see you soon. Bye for now.